Let's make some delicious lasagna. Add 1/4 cup of oil. 1/4 cup of chopped garlic. Sauté until light golden on low-medium heat. Now add 1 cup of chopped onions. Stir until onions are softened on medium heat. Add 500 grams of minced chicken. Cook on medium heat until it changes its color. Now add salt, red chili flakes, and ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon each. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Add 1/2 cup of water. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on low heat. After that, add 300 grams of chopped spinach. If using frozen, thaw and drain before adding. Add 1 cup of red peppers, cut into squares. Add 2 cups of pasta sauce. Give it a good mix. Keep stirring on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Switch off the heat and set aside. Now mix 2 cups mozzarella cheese, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of chopped basil, and set aside. To prepare Béchamel sauce, add 3 tablespoons of butter, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking on low heat until it changes color. Add 1 cup of chicken broth and keep whisking. Now add 2 cups of milk. Keep whisking until you get a soup-like consistency. During this process, add salt, ground black pepper, white pepper, and Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon each. You can add 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg if you like. Set aside. Brush the butter inside the dish. All ingredients are ready. Let's start the final step. Start with Béchamel sauce. Spread around 3 tablespoons. Spread thin layer of pasta sauce mixture to cover the area. 5 ready-to-bake lasagna strips. Make the second layer in the same way. You can add zucchini slices in one of the layers, but this is optional. Add the cheese and egg mixture. Make 2 more layers. You can mix cheddar cheese with mozzarella in your lasagna if you like. Lasagna can easily layered a day before, refrigerate, and bake it next day. On top, sprinkle mozzarella cheese, around 1 cup. Cover with aluminum foil. Bake it for 45 minutes in 400° Fahrenheit preheated oven. After 45 minutes, remove the foil. Now it will go back to the oven until light golden. If the edges start burning, cover it with some aluminum foil pieces. After around 20 minutes, take it out of the oven. Sprinkle some mixed Italian seasoning. Some basil leaves. Let it rest for 20 minutes before serving. Beautiful and delicious lasagna is ready. Enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.